Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I want to say a very warm welcome to you. Doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually just out on a stroll and I thought, you know what, let's just smash out a real quick video. So if this is the first time on the channel, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and I specialize in the conversion of high-ticket affiliate marketing products. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd invite you to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right, so basically what I was doing today is I was going for a stroll, and I was thinking about, I guess, what people tend to struggle with in their affiliate business. And one of the things I've noticed from the students that I've worked with as part of the Super Affiliate Accelerator, which if you're interested in learning more about that, check out the free case study below. It shows you how to go from 0 to 10K per month with nothing but your social media profile. And it's all pretty basic stuff. So anyway, check it out. Anyway, where was I saying? Yeah, working with 460 odd students, whatever it is now, I noticed that something tends to pop up a lot, and this isn't me pointing fingers at people. I've been in the same boat myself. I've gone through it for many years, which is why it took me so long to actually get any traction in my affiliate marketing business. And it's this thing of people focusing on the things that aren't producing revenue. I'm going to tell you guys a little story. When it was last year, let's say August, September last year, around about a year ago actually, I'd been involved in affiliate marketing at that point for around about 7-8 years or so. I think I started in 2011, and I was getting traction. I was starting to make some sales, and I was thinking, okay, this is pretty cool. But I kept capping out. Every month, my income would just cap out at a certain point, and I started getting kind of mad. I'm thinking, what? Like, here I am, I know how to run ads, I know how to do all this stuff, but like, why is nothing kind of clicking into place? Why am I not making sale after sale after sale like, you know, they seem to do on all the sales pages that I'm on? This is kind of a bit annoying. I'd have one really good day, and then I'd have a mediocre day, and then I'd have a no day. And you might be able to relate to this. In fact, this is a very common story. So anyway, circa September, October, and I sat down with my mentor, and I was like, listen, here's the deal, this is what I'm doing. And the response was something which was a little bit surprising. It was basically, listen man, you're trying to do too much stuff. You're out there, you're doing like 11 different tasks per day, and it's too much. Like, where are you actually offering your audience anything? Like, how are you actually selling this stuff? What's your conversion process? Why are you not just optimizing that? Why are you looking at dozens of different funnels and different things out there, and every day there's like a new product that you're trying to promote? Like, why is that going to build your business? Think of that from a, I guess, the 30,000 foot view. Why is that going to build things? I thought, you know what, that's kind of crazy idea. And so actually the story didn't quite start there, because I kind of got this advice earlier on. It took me around about 6 months to kind of click into place. And it wasn't an ego thing. I was really just trying to work out, look, it's not that I don't believe what you're saying. It's just that I put so much mental and emotional energy into these other tasks. I really wanted to finish them off before implying what I had been taught. Now, here's the crazy thing. When I finally did do that, when I finally just succumbed to the advice, and I just thought, you know what, bugger it, let's just do whatever it is that you tell me to do. I'll just, you know, go with an open mind. I had my first $1,000 day within 7 days of that. I had my next one the next day. I had my first $10,000 month that has blown up since then. So heed what I'm saying, folks. If you're out there and you're concentrating on things like making the lead magnet that you're working on look absolutely perfect, and you've been working on it for months, and if you're still sitting on the same course idea that you've been working on for months or years, or whatever the case may be, or if you're worried about the editing of the video and you're not just putting the content out there, just do it. Just simplify your business. Remove the layers that aren't producing revenue for your business. That is holding you back. Learn how to sell, learn how to pitch. Be unashamed about that as well. There's nothing wrong with helping people out. If you can create a fair exchange and you're out there and you're offering them value, you're showing people how to do things, they're improving their lives, they're improving their businesses. What's wrong with pitching? There's nothing wrong with it at all. In fact, I encourage people to pitch. Pitch away. Don't do it in a spammy way. You don't have to do it in a way that basically, you know, spams people and, you know, chucks in their inbox and actually doesn't help them out, because you're wanting your commissions and you've got your own selfish needs. But you can do it in a way that genuinely looks to help people out. And so concentrate on pitching, concentrate on what creates the conversion, and improve that process as you go along. And the more improvement you can apply to that, of course, the more money you're going to make. The more offers you can make to your audience, the more goodwill you build within your audience, of course, the more money you're going to make. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're interested in learning all this stuff and simplifying your business, like I say, I've got a 4-step process. Just click that button below, check it out. But what I will say to you as well is that if you find yourself spending way too much time on creating the perfect post or creating the perfect video or whatever it is, it's just, live by this doctrine: done is better than perfect, and money loves speed. You got to jump on the opportunities as they arise, and the more stuff you can get out there, the more you're going to improve, the more it's going to feel more natural. And like I say, simplify things down into the basic levels, and then you can start adding the layers of complexity upon that. And that's, like I say, that's how my business blew up. And now I'm actually reverting back. I'm going to the point now when I'm now able to add more complexities to it. But I've got the emotional freedom, I've got the time freedom, I've got the financial freedom to be able to do that. Now I can start looking at outsourcing things, okay? So if any of this resonates with yourself, like I say, take stock of what you're doing online every day. Make some more offers, be unashamed about that. Be proud of what you're promoting. Simplify the process. You don't need like 500 funnels, you need one. Like literally, and you just need to keep improving that process and that conversion method of conversion, and you'll find that you'll do a lot better. So hopefully this resonates with a couple of you guys, and I'm starting to get eaten by bugs, so I might have to disappear. I've got a little friend I want to introduce you guys to. See if I can show him in the picture there. Where is he? See him hopping around up on the tree there. My little buddy. Where are you, buddy? Where'd you go? Hello. Hello, mister. I don't know if he's a crow, can't actually see him in the shot there. I don't know if I'm pointing it in the right direction. Anyway, you're stuck with my big head. There's a big crow just, oh, he's gone now, I pissed him off. Anyway, so with all that being said, hopefully this helps you guys out. Like I say, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this stuff, check out the case study below. Feel free to lock in time to speak with me. If you're tired of not getting the results in your business, then I'll be happy to help you out. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I shall see you in the next one.